This is a Duracraft Box Fan model DB-10. I believe this is actually one of the earlier models. I don't know the exact date. I believe it was from the early 90s. This is yet another purchase from eBay. I was the only one who bidded on this. One of the differences on this fan is, for one thing, the switch and the blades are white instead of gray. The motor's slightly different, and it actually has smaller vent holes in the back. The shade of gray is also lighter. It still performs the same amount of air as the later ones, though. Like, they never really changed this fan that much. The only thing they really changed was the front of the grill and the colors. But yeah, I actually used this at work for a bit before they taped up the outlet. Actually marked my name up so no one else would take it. It's a bit greasy too, but I cleaned it off as best as I can. Anyway, let's start off on high. Yeah, it has the safety switch. So I actually got a bit of a startup as well. Let's see. Alright. And we'll do it on low once it spins down. So that is my Duracraft Box Fan model DB-10.